SERV Stock Analysis Tuesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Looking at SERV Robotics, we're sitting at $8.50, 5.4% down for the day. With SERV Robotics, like last week's performance was poor. I'm not even gonna like it was like 16% down, but that doesn't mean anything in the grand scheme of things. Now, first of all, this is a great demand area. Like the whole gray zone that you see here is just a great demand zone. So as long as we are inside this thing here and it gives me a double break, only then I'll start to take it higher. You know, here I'm not gonna buy, like randomly buying here is just none of my business. But what I'll do is actually wait, you know, instead of assuming I'm gonna be reacting. So that's the way that I will be approaching this market here. I mean, honestly, like anything else is just going to be noise. So again, it says you just wait. It says waiting for the rules to be met, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. If this happens, then I'm taking it higher. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.